Happy Saturday, everyone. I was supposed to head to a meet this morning, but if you guys watch my Snapchat or my IG story, Aaliyah and I are on the crazy car this morning at the office. Mama's taking care of some birthday stuff for you. We're gonna go drifting. I'm gonna teach you how to drift. Ready, baby? Let's do this! You saw I was with the daughter and kind of working at the same time, so I couldn't make it to meet. But looking through my archives, I have like probably 30 to 45 videos I've never edited that I did film. This case, I actually found a car meet that occurred a little bit late of last year. Really cool. You guys want to check it out? At least you get to see a car meet. Here we go. Oh yeah, it's Sunday. Guess where I'm headed? To work, but I'm actually headed to car meet. I'm vlogging. Holy crap, I'm actually vlogging.
Ooh, baby, on that track, I'm going vroom, vroom. Try and catch me when I pull up in that zoom, zoom. Oh no, please don't make that call. We don't want no calls, they ain't ready for the cause.
So, I made it. I don't know where I am, but I made it.
What's up, guys?
What's up, bro?
Oh,
how's it going?
What's up, what's up?
Cool, man. You are here.
Yeah. I was always here, and you are always here.
I'm gonna wander inside and see what's up. You actually showed up over here?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, that's my cousin over here.
How's it going?
The cars here are amazing, by the way. We saw an RWB, which I took a little cinematic of it. I love filming because it's like, it's never been my point to try to get famous on YouTube, and it's always been like a creative outlet for me. So that's why I love doing cinematics. That's why I love like shooting with good quality cameras. And I only shoot with my little one, wherever it is. Oh, I only shoot with my little one if I can't carry my big one. But in this case, I had my big camera today, so check it out. Ready? Go!
Yeah, you running off, my hands are tied. You coming back, my hands are tied now. We're making love,
and ice cream. I always said I'm not a sweets person, I'm a salty person, so I love like salty foods, chips. But I discovered my love for ice cream probably last year, and well, actually I didn't admit I like ice cream until this year. I got problems. Anyways, after's ice cream's legit.
When the time's right, I light up and ride off in sunsets and Corvettes, like I'm the plug and you don't know why I do these things.
Okay, so yesterday I was at Super Ill. I spotted this car, beautiful. Boom. Say what's up. The owner's right here. Here it is. I'm gonna head inside. It's pretty cool. Ooh, some high rollers coming in right now. Dude. Dude, the class of cars here are freaking crazy. So, I was just about to start my vlog. What's up, dude? Hi, bud. What's up, we're talking about Twin Turbo behind us. Let's go check it out real quick. I mean, Twin Turbo, Twin Turbo. Oh, no, so sexy.
Remember all we had. How could we get this bad? Where did we lose our glow? You live, you learn. When you
I'm good. Camera shot. It's like a big party here. Dude, 2 events? Back to back? Ah, these guys. Yeah, you go.
until the light will return. Someone bring me back to the time when our hearts unite. Bring me back to the time when our hearts unite.
You're cute. Come on. Oh, you're cute with your hat. You don't like your hat, baby girl? Oh no, no hat girl, huh?
Been doing this thing with my suitcase since I pretty much got it a while ago. Just sticker bombing the crap out of this because it's for Tuna Crate. I have so many. I have a big wide range of stickers, and I currently just dumped it right now. Little Leah's helping me. What do you want? What should we put on there? You want to put this on here? And that it concludes today's video. I'm sorry I couldn't make it to me. I really wanted to, but I am doing my best to daily upload for you guys so you guys can enjoy it. I'm trying to keep as much of my family stuff off of this channel because some of you guys just don't like it, and I just want to make sure that I have enough blend between the two to keep you guys happy along with keeping me happy with editing, because I love to do this as a creative outlet, but I want to keep you guys entertained. So I'll do my best to blend the two worlds, but thanks for watching, guys. I love you guys, and by the way, tomorrow I'll be in Vegas, and Monday I'll be in Vegas racing, and then on Tuesday we'll be in San Jose. So it's a fun freaking weekend. By the way, I'll be off-roading next week too. Boom! The channel should get pretty crazy. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Peace out! One of these days, I'm gonna hit the camera too hard, and I'm just gonna break it. Okay, Aaliyah. I'm gonna teach you how to drift it, okay? See the seat brake? You just rip it. And we're gonna go drifting.